Pew. Oh my God, there's Kitty. There's a kitty. There's a wolf. There's a wolf. He's running. There's more. They're running. Oh my gosh. They kind of look like my cat Hank. Hanley. They look like my old cat Hank. I gave Hank away. Actually, to a local around here. Hank has been given away to a local. So that could have been Hank. He's an inside-outside cat. That might have been Hank and his babies. He probably already made a whole new family. He probably already made a whole new fucking family. Wow. I'm kind of upset about that. But look at this view. Look at that pretty sunset. Oh my God, I can't believe I called that. That was amazing.